Let's prepare this Nigerian soup using spinach. So flavorful, loaded with so much goodness, and absolutely delicious. Now to a pot, add the protein of choice. I am using goat meat, beef and cow tail. Add salt, beef bouillon seasoning, blended onions and scotch bonnet pepper, dried periwinkle. If you're using the fresh ones, you can add that at the later stage of the cooking, but the dry one takes longer to cook. Add stockfish and dry fish depending on how hard they are and mix together. The goal is to cook all the tough protein at this point. Cover and cook for around 15 minutes without adding any water. After 15 minutes, add enough water to cook the proteins until well done. For the base of the sauce, we are using paprika and onions. Remove the seed from the paprika and roughly blend. Next, we have some Ogirii and dried Bonga fish. Blend until you have a smooth consistency. Now this combination takes this soup to the next level, so don't skip it. To a saucepan, add some palm oil. Then add the blended paprika mix. At this point, I'm adding the rest of my stockfish and dried fish. Add the blended Bonga fish. Mix together and saute for around 7 to 10 minutes or until all the liquid completely evaporates. The list of ingredients is in the description bar below. Now add the cooked proteins. And mix together. Because we are using spinach, which contains a lot of water, I'm adding just a little bit of the meat broth at this point. Add some Cameroon pepper for some kick. Ground crayfish. Cover and allow to cook for around 2 minutes. When making spinach soup, I like adding the spinach in 2 batches. I added the first batch of my sliced spinach and grilled fish off camera. Cook that for 2 minutes, mix together, and after 2 minutes, remove the fish so it doesn't break. And then add the rest of the spinach. Mix together. Thank you to all my subscribers. And if you're new here, please join the family. We share lots of yummy recipes made with love. And then add the fish back and turn off the heat. The residual heat will cook the spinach, and once it is ready, enjoy with your favorite swallow. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you've watched until this point, let me know in the comments section if you tried this recipe, and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you receive a notification whenever I post a new video. And until next time, remain blessed.